Okay, guys, I'm going to be going to market, well, now. And I'm doing it for Simon in the group. It's a 5 pip scalp trade on euro dollar. So let me just set that up so I can just get it into place. Drop that into 5 pips. Bash. Okay. Right. Okay. So the order's in. I'm going to drop this down into 5 minutes and I'll talk you through what it is that I'm looking at. Now, the lower I can get into this market, the better. So it's pulling away from me, which is exactly what I want. But it's also something that I've told the guys here. Okay. Now, if I go up into Ask Scruff, Simon's asked if I can do Euro USD, so done that. I'll get on to Sparky's question this afternoon. In the market updates, we've already done the strength video and everything this morning, so they know roughly what I'm looking at. And I did mention this as something I'd be looking at today. And then I've worked it out. So here it is here. So it's buying. It's a C. It's telling me to wait, which is why I'm letting the red candles come in. Now, it's targets for 3, but I'm going to target 5. Simply because it's got to be worth my while going into it. Now, the targeting system that I put in is based on ATRs, etc. Now, the ATR on this is not the best at the moment. In fact, let's have a little look, see if we can show you. So, put some indicators on. Average true range. Well, it's up to 46 at this moment in time on the day. So it's not a big shake, okay? And let's just drop that back down to 15 minutes and I'll take you through a couple of things. And then if you look here, there it is there, 46. So really that's just a short percentage of what that daily is, okay? And I have some of my rules in and around here. There they are. Below ATR of 60 or 4 pips, don't trade. So I'm doing this purely for the guys. It's not something that I particularly like. Now, that rule of 60 applies to something outside of this bunch here. The reason being is I know these inside out, and I know if I can get 5 pips, 10 pips, whatever. Whereas when it's one of this lot, it becomes a bit of a problem. Okay, just simply because I don't look at them every day, but I look at euro dollar every single day. So happy days, happy days. No, happy days, happy days. Okay, so get rid of that. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so just switch those indicators off because we don't need them. A blind man could tell you that's pushing up. Now it is at the top of the move, which is not altogether a bad thing because it's going to pump up, which it has. It's going to push back into this level, but the chances are it's going to come to this top because there's a lot of motion inside of this. Now, if that's the case, just go with it. Now, the dominance is to the upper side. And if we start pushing out, where you can see it, all right? And it's just pumping up, pumping up, pumping up. Here is a stall point. Up there is a stall point. Take it out to the daily. Okay. Well, it's definitely pumping up against this one. All right. So again, that level is well in sight. So if that's the case, that's what we're going to run at. Take it back down into sort of a 5-minute chart, which is down here. And the further this goes down, well, the better it can be. You know, it's that simple. You know, we can, where are we at now? So this candle's about to end. So I could bring it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a little bit of a cluster here. So I still need the price to come to me. Well, all that's got to do is bounce up, pick that and go back where it came from. And it'll give me the 5 pips that I'm after. Because that's all I'm going to take. I'm just going to take what the market's willing to give me. And if it runs further down, fine. I'll live with it. So let's play it out and see what happens. Okay, Simon, that was for you. It's now cashed out. Could I let this run? Yes, I could, but I'd set a stall. This is what I want from the trade, and that's what I'm going to take. Now, let me just get rid of my tickets. Just get on the right screen. Take the tickets off. Didn't happen to trigger anything extra, but there's 25 quid that I was after, and it's taken it around 25 minutes, you know, if that. About 25 minutes, half an hour maybe, and 25 quid. So if you're looking at it from an hourly point of view, it's not a bad hourly rate of pay, is it? Would you like 25 quid an hour?
Mm. Yeah.
Look at you, fucking grinning. Okay, now, what are you doing an hour?
I'm working at the minute.
Really?
I'm doing the posts, yes.
The fuck is that?
Oh.
Who's that? Is that? Our posts happen to be on Facebook looking at somebody that you knew at school,
No,
wasn't it?
it isn't.
Never mind trying to flick it back.
On Facebook.
All right, then. Well, let's have a little look at this, shall we? So, what have we got on her open tabs?
All right.
Moonstar's wall art. Cycled rustic moon. More shite coming into the house. God's sake.
I
Right.
haven't bought it yet.
Eh? What do you mean, yet? Who said you were
That's why
buying?
it's still there. Can't decide.
Well, I'll decide for you. Me wallet's here. You can fuck off.
Oh, don't worry, your card's already saved.
You bitch. Hey, play with your joystick. There's Willy Wonka. Right. Okay, boys and girls. Oh, we're having a good day today. I've had a bit of a break. Don't know if you've missed me. If you have, I'm still here. If you haven't, well, tough. I'm still here. Have you missed us? Here, Hong Kong.
Oh, yeah. You've always been there.
I know. I feel rooted. Getting a new desk and everything today, boys and
That'll
girls.
be fun.
Gonna time we're getting a new computer and things like that, but I need a new desk, so I'm getting a new desk. But the trade itself, if we look at it from a point of view, is about as simple as it gets. We knew there was a drive to the upside. We could see that. We could also see it very clearly here. Now, when it's caught in the ether, and that's between two solid levels, there's a lot of free air. And if you can imagine a tennis ball rolling along a hardwood floor, there's nothing to stop it rolling up to here. Now, that could be a tennis ball. Well, what's it going to do? It's just going to roll and then bounce off it if it's rolling along. But if I give it some gusto, well, then it would roll up to there and bounce over the top and then roll up to the next stall as the energy comes out of it. Now, your indicators can tell you that. And that's what we look at. But they can also put you into a bad situation in believing them. You've got to remember the lagging. You've got to take the law of averages across the board. And that's what we're doing. So until that tells me otherwise, that's going up. So take it down into the lower time frames. So for the next hour between 10 and 11, that was going up. All I had to do was pick an area between these two lines that I believed would be correct and then trail down. Well, we were up here at the time. It collapsed, came to the level, bounced on the level. No shock there because momentum's going the other way, so that's going to be limited. Bounce, 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 and then back up. Now, yes, I could hold my targets up to here, but that means I'm holding the trade longer than I need to when I set out to get 5 pips. So I just brought the target down as well. Trade didn't have as hard to work, paid me exactly what I was after, job's done. Now, to me, that's common sense, you know, and it takes away the greed factor. The greed factor in this industry is the killer of accounts, and I get it all the time. Well, I would do this and I would hold that. Good, crack on, you know. But what about when you hold it too long and it takes the money back off you? And the other side of it is I do this day in, day out, and I get paid, and my account grows, then I get paid again, and it grows again. But the same person who I would have hold this spins wheels. They just... Don't be greedy, guys. Take what the market's willing to give, and once it's give you, don't try and get some more. You know, we're not Oliver. You know, please, sir, can I have some more? You know, it doesn't work like that because Oliver's horrible. You know, what works is her take clothes off and say, give me some more. Then she gets what she wants because she did. Are you going to give it up? Are you going to give? Well, you're not playing Willy Wonka. Yeah, where do you want to play with Scruffy Wonka?
Just get on with your dream.
Should we play with Scruffy Wonka?
You want to play with it, you can.
I'm not playing with that.
Well, I don't.
It's not my idea of a good time. Let's put it this way, right? I'm the spoon, not the yogurt pot, right? Just remember that.
Oh, you got the right way around, did you?
I know I've said that a few times when I've got it wrong when I'm pissed. But I don't drink anymore. I'm on the wagon. Just so happens it's a Budweiser beer truck. You know. Okay, boys and girls. It's all live. And who gives a flying fuck? Who gives a flying fuck? Are you going to give a flying fuck? We're going on an airplane.
I don't know, in May.
I was thinking more of the other one where you got your cubicle.
Oh.
No?
Yeah, well, yeah, we
Oh,
got
you're gonna
cubicle.
That's it, boys and girls. Mile High Club. That'll be a video for you to watch. So
I don't think so.
what? Don't you shatter my dreams. Fucking hell. I shatter yours all the time to take the wallet off you. So that's that done. We do rabble on quite a lot all the time. Some like it, some don't. But we like it, so we stayed. Happy days. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, quick interlude because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop, and you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15. And then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.